Hi, you're watching Skillshare, and in this video we will see how to access website that is forbidden to access either by your DNS not resolving that or by any other reason which involves your ISP, that is Internet Service Provider fault. This issue can be solved by two methods. So the first one is by using VPN and the other method is by changing the DNS server of our network. So VPN method, you will get a lot of videos on YouTube, so I'll not be going through that. With the second method, your internet speeds won't take a hit. So in this method there is again two sub method, that is first by changing DNS server in your router if you have a router for your internet connection, and the second method is editing network DNS locally on your PC. So editing DNS at your PC level won't hamper the connection for other devices connected to the same network and is recommended method. In my case, with the default DNS and internet connection, my speed was 50 Mbps and the other info as shown here. I will be using AdGuard DNS here, but you may use any other available on the internet like Cloudflare. So as you can see here, I am unable to access these websites. These websites are taken as an example to show you that this is inaccessible from my current DNS records. There are many more websites which aren't accessible with the current configuration, but I will not be showing you that. So I will now edit the DNS at my router level. So the IP address is given on the AdGuard website and this link will be in the description. Copying the address and pasting it in the respective field. So from router to router, interface changes but the method remains same. We will need to save this. I will purge the DNS cache in my computer. The command is very simple. You need an administration access and then you have to flush this DNS cache by using this command. As you can see, the speeds have not changed, rather increased a bit, but average it will remain same. So if you see this field here in the DNS leak test, you can see that the host is now changed from this to this. Now if I refresh the website, you can see it loads and shows fine. Proceeding with the second method, before that I have to reset all the settings, and I have reset all the settings in the router, and look at this, it's not loading now. As you can see, my DNS is this for now. Copying the IP address from the AdGuard website, go to control panel, network settings and click this network name. IPv4 properties and do as shown. You may also change the settings from properties of the network from the settings down here. You can see here the host is changed and the website loads fine. Remember that this method will be applicable only to machine where this setting has been applied. If you access the same inaccessible websites on the same network using other devices, it may not load. So why is this DNS important? DNS identifies the request that you have written a website. So the website should translate into IP address. So the DNS does the same thing. But as you can see, these network providers also have set up their own DNS. some of the websites, they won't be having the record. So what it does is it reflects back to you as an inaccessible website. Using a standard DNS ensures that all the legit websites on the internet is accessible. But remember, if you use Cloudflare's family DNS or AdGuard's family protection DNS, you will be restricted from using YouTube comment section and also videos that may not be family friendly, and there may be some site filtering also. That's all for this video. If you have any queries, post them in the comment section. Always wear a mask when outdoors. Thanks for watching. Bye.